Hi guys, it's Friday afternoon and before I go home for the day I want to show you my exploding cookie jar that I made for my students. And basically it's a cookie jar with two holes in it. We have one here and one here, and I will take I had some tape to cover the holes, and I will take that away, and then I will put the match to it. Then we will see what happens. So start with this one, and then I need to light the match. Sometimes it actually explodes directly, and that would be a problem because, you know, I'm here. But we'll see. I will take it away and I will put some distance between me and the... yeah. So, yeah, it's working. And now we need to wait. It takes actually about 1 minute. And I don't want to be exactly here because it was some time ago I did this before. So, yeah. I will move myself away from the cookie jar, and we will let the camera do the job. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. All right. Seriously, we need to do it one more time. Sometimes people ask me why I would have an exploding cookie jar. Well, the hydrogen tube might not be a good idea to keep on the desk here, so I will move it. I wonder if I can sit here and be close to the explosion, or if that is dangerous. There are no students here, so I think I will actually... I need to try it. Yeah. And it's burning. And I will move it a little bit away from me. And now I will be in the picture when it's exploding. This is a little bit scary, actually. You can hear a sound before it goes off. So I get a little bit of a warning anyway. Yeah. No sound yet. Okay. I can hear the sound. Shit. Ah. Yeah, that was fun. I might do this in class another day. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a really nice week. And if you like this video, you can subscribe and share the video, please. So more people can see this if they like. Bye bye.